Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving HACKERRANK's 10 Days of JavaScript problem, Day 2 Loops. Let's begin. So we're going to complete the vowels and consonants function in the editor below. It has one parameter, which is a string, and we want to print each vowel on S in one line, and in the second part, we want to print each consonant of the string as we go and iterate through the whole string. So here's the output. For example, we have JavaScript loops. First, it outputs all the vowels, then all the consonants after it. Alright, so this will be a good way to introduce you to loops. I think I'm going to introduce more concepts, and also in my previous tutorial I badly explained about how to find a character of each part of the string. So I'm going to go and make this my redemption tutorial. Oh, and there's also documentation right here in HACKERRANK, makes it easier to understand. Let's begin. So first, we want to iterate through the whole string. So before, and since it's JavaScript, we could use the let or var, as I explained before in my other tutorials. Index equals 0, starts at the beginning. End is less than the length of the string. End plus plus. So now we want to check, now you remember if conditions, now we want to check if the character at the specific part of the consonant, because first we want to go and print out all vowels. We have to first do the condition if it is a vowel. To do that, we can do it this way. If s dot, and then if you want to, or not s dot, we can do s dot character at, which means at the index of that character, that could be the first position, or second, or third, fourth. Remember, the index starts at 0. You can find what that character is. But since we have index to tell us what index to go iterate through each position of the string, we could use that instead. So character at that one, and then now we could say, all right, now we have the as a character at index. What we want to do now is we use the match. What match does is that we want to take the regex take a regular expression. What a regular expression means is it's a pattern that we use to try to determine if it matches what we're looking for. In this case, if it's a vowel. Now to input the pattern that you want for if you want to see if that character, that string matches, you do two slashes, and in between you could indicate the pattern in brackets of what it should be. In this case, it should be A-E-I-O-U. Now if it matches, you had to log it out, console.log s.character at index. Now we want to do another for loop through the whole string again, but this time it's for consonants. So I'm going to go and comment this one. This is for vowels. This one is for consonants. And so one thing cool about regex is that you could specify it right here within this bracket instead of just typing all of those letters. Like I said, you're not supposed to include. You could use this caret symbol to say that you would exclude any character that matches any of these characters. So now if I run this code, it should have the answer. Awesome. Let me submit this. Great. Alright guys, I hope this makes sense. Please like and subscribe. And if you do, I want to introduce you to every single celebrity that I've met in my whole life. There's so many celebrities that I've met, question mark. But, if you like and subscribe, I won't tell you who it is, who are they, but, if you like and subscribe, I'll introduce you, and you'd be surprised all the famous people that I met, Which is probably none. Just kidding. See you guys.